Mr. Kitty sees a bird on the bird feeder. See that tail going? Look at that tail. He's going. Look at him. There was a bird right out there. See it? It's on the feeder. He thinks he can get it. Oh, he's enjoying this too much. The bird just flew off. He's got his paws on the windowsill, his back legs and butt on the chair. Thinking he's going to pounce on one. I don't know how. The window's even closed. There's another bird on the feeder. He loves watching them birds. I just wanted to show you Mr. Kitty finally sees the birds and is not afraid of them. He's enjoying it, as you can pretty well tell. Look, he just pounced. I knew it was a matter of time. He'd eventually do it. Did you think you almost had a birdie? Did you miss that birdie, Mr. Kitty? There's another one. What are you going to do? It's sitting there. He's watching it. And there it went. Say bye, Mr. Kitty. Bye-bye.